Hello, this is Brian here from quantlabs.net. Sorry about yesterday's videos. It looks like they weren't working with the audio check failing, and I didn't even know. Anyways, let's get started for today's videos. Before we get started, I wanted to highlight a couple of items here. We have here at quantlabs.net /DVD. You can get our latest algo trading DVD physically sent out to you based on algo trading for MotiveWave and Python trading bots. I'll be doing more Python later today to do some demos on that, as well as our latest book as well, quantlabs.net/book for free book stuff as well. So you can get that as well. So let's get to it. Here's the current status of crypto overall. It's been another brutal day. Okay, like yesterday was bad. Today is not so bad, but you can see here we got some winners. I've already applied the templates and saved the charts, but let's talk about them. Bitcoin, XMR against Bitcoin has been doing pretty good. As you can see here, it's been doing really well. Got an entry here, and an exit right there. Got some premature exits as well. But you can see here we've gone from 0.006 to about 0.0682 on that first run up yesterday. So it's not bad. The next one we have is EOS against BTC. Again, here we've had some decent, or currently a run up here. And we do get these occasional, very minimal trades. Those are something you just can't not avoid at all. And that's EOS against BTC. Next up, we got Dash against BTC. This has been doing really good too. Let's see here, we've got some nice winners. So we use the volatility stop as well as the we can rely on the Ichimoku cloud stop as well. And that seems to be working real nice. You know, I've been watching a lot of Ross Cameron, Tim Sykes stuff. Usually they'll capture these trades up here. That's what their clones are saying. So funny enough, the this is why I like Ichimoku, because it will capture these trades here quite nicely, and they've been working all the time. I mean, they'll break down, but they'll at least cut premature losses to highly minimize your losses, like right here and here. And actually, these type of this is an okay chart. And then we have this one, which has been doing really good, Bitcoin. Now, if you come here into this, you can see that Bitcoin cash against the Japanese yen has been up. Don't ask me. You'll see euro, US dollar can move up, but I just like to use Bitcoin against Bitcoin or crypto against crypto, just due to the fact that they are better fills if you're using Binance like I do, not the good old, hey Attila, how you doing? I'm just getting used to the StreamYard, so thanks for the comment. I appreciate that. So the thing is that the Binance exchange has been really good. There are some US dollar exchanges. I've experimented with those. Kraken, the US Binance.us is very low volume. You'll not get proper fills on that. I just don't see an advantage there, or with Kraken as well. It's just you get kicked out of trades for no reason, and it's just due to lack of volume. So Bitcoin Cash has been doing pretty good. Where's the entry? We've got a couple entries in here, I'm sure, right here. And that's just a perfect classic. Oh, great that you got MotiveWave. Congratulations. It's a great platform. If you've got any questions on it, let me know. But you can see just by using these classic indicators, a combination of them, they can do really wonders for you. And also this one I've been tracking really nicely, Bitcoin Gold against Bitcoin. I mean, and again, this is in a tough market. If you have not seen the markets, like half are producing in crypto, and this one's doing really good too. And then you got QTOM against BTC. But I'm not a big fan of this one. You look at those wide wicks. How do you trade that? But I'm still testing this particular pair. We're looking again, QTOM against BTC. And, these wicks really throw off your trading. I'm not sure if we can really trade this. I've been slowly trimming this list here at 28 cryptos. Slowly. I've already got rid of one. QTOM might be another one. You usually get these wide wicks because of either manipulation. I don't think it's manipulation. I think it's just lack of volume in this particular pair. But here, I'll go over the pairs again. And again, I've applied the template, this combo here with the email alerts, which have been going out for the last couple of days. They work really well, just so people understand that those email alerts people have been using in their own programming. When they get the email, they process that. So people are using these signals and they work really, really good. So you can see here, these are working not bad. So as I said, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe winners there. XMR has been doing good in a really bad market. These are small moves, but when you look at them, I could do this 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, no problem. And that's why I like these combos. So again, here's the combos that we're going to look at. I've already gone over in this video. So we got XMR BTC, EOS BTC, Dash BTC, which is kind of taken off now, it looks like. Bitcoin Cash BTC and Bitcoin Gold BTC have been doing pretty good. And QTOM, that's yet to be determined. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Right now, I would do the Forex as well, but hey, at my time, Eastern Standard Time, New York time, is closing down in the next few hours. So I'm going to leave these for now. I've had XMR BTC working pretty good. EOS, Dash, Bitcoin has been performing the last few days, as well as XMR BTC has been performing quite nice. Any of you guys got any questions so far? If not, I can tear this stream down. Thanks for watching. If that's the case, I'll come back maybe later tonight. I'm actually really 3 people on board. That's awesome. Just so you know, I'll be doing a webinar on Monday, 12 noon. Right now, I just blasted my email group about VWAP strategies. I'm getting some good dialogue already in the last 2 hours about VWAP. Let me know on your thoughts on VWAP. I'm looking at, for the last year and a bit, I've been looking more at the trend following. This is obviously trend following. And I want to throw in some mean reversion in there because you can get higher probability of profit with mean reversion. VWAP is a classic mean reversion strategy. And I have put out a video on VWAP on the Motive Wave playlist on the channel at youtube.com/quantlabs.net. Now, again, if you're new to this, just join us late. Let me tell you, we got the free books. Those are doing pretty good. quantlabs.net/book. And then, of course, the DVD I'm waiting for still. I was hoping to get it by now. But this thing is really good. If you're new to Motive Wave and you want to know how to use Motive Wave, there's an hour video on the highlights of Motive Wave with no programming needed, on top of the programming as well for a study and a strategy. I have a web version. You can get that now by clicking that PayPal link, and you can just go over to the quantlabs.net/DVD to get it. It's up, it's current, and you get source code. You also get as well Python baby bots. This is pseudocode. You get a sample code of that as well. And each of the programming videos have 1 hour and 1.5 hour for the Python. So it's about just under 3 hours in total. And it's all an exorbitant cost of $5. And I think it's like $5 plus shipping to your address. So you can get that through a service that I've deployed called Kunaki. And again, that's at quantlabs.net/DVD. Anybody got any questions? Yes, I am. That's for Tilla. I am automating the Ichimoku. It's really not Ichimoku, but it's this one right here, Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. this is what you need to do to get that working. It's really, really good. This is the cloud right here. You just edit it. And again, this is using MotoWave. Very powerful. Let's see. We want to edit the not the instrument. Well, it doesn't matter. I can show you through here. So if you look up on your study, Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, okay? Sorry about the pronunciation, Japanese. In here, you'll get your available options. I keep everything by default, and I do a 15-minute time frame. Seems to work okay. Again, up marker, down marker, that's what you're seeing on those little arrows and the markers they call them. Here's the key. You use this for signaling. No programming needed. Just do a signal all. So we're just doing a signal here on the cross of the tenkin going above the kijin. It's like a moving average. Boom, boom, boom. Go all. And then here you enable this. Okay, and then you send out your email. And boom, and that's it. You create. Done. Done, done, done. And then you also have this guy here is the other one that I use. This generates this little exit cell. I've done a few tests here with the different types of stop losses. This works really good. It's there's 4 different types of stops here. I use this one. One of the things when you want to look for is the overlay option and the signal option, so you can do this on your signaling. You go, okay, cool. And you just go under your signal here, and let me just make sure we got this actually working. And then you send out the email. Okay, so I have a Python script that will process those orders, and then we'll process those emails coming in as signals, do some other logic, trading logic, and then deploy the order. So I let the Python handle the orders. And then here what I got to do is I've got to save this combo of studies. Hang on, I'm going to answer your questions here because I'm going to save this as a new template. This is important. So I'm going to call this guy right here and replace it, and boom, okay? So there's your template. Now, with all that ready, you can apply that to any chart on any asset class you want, or any asset class, instrument, whatever you want. So I'm going to answer Attila's questions here. Okay, so did you automate Ichimoku? I just showed you that. MotiveWave must be running or done in the cloud. Attila, what you can do there is you can use MotiveWave and host it in a hosted environment using a specific let me get the name here of it. I'm going to get you the name of the service that I'm looking at. I think it's called Speed Trader, and it's for Windows. Now, I just moved over to Windows like maybe 5 days ago, the latest version. I like it. So you can host your Windows here with these guys. They can take these platforms, but I do believe you can put up other, maybe it's not Speed Trader, but I know there's a service out there that you can use to host Windows remotely and then just be able to connect into the Windows environment on a private virtual private server. So you can do that with MotiveWave. I intend to do that. Now, Attila asks, can we code strategies in Python? Sort of. I've already alluded to that in my previous talk about here. So if you have a study, okay, you can integrate 2 ways. You can either have a Python script that will receive the email signal into your Python script. That's what I do. You can also use MotiveWave the studies right here and be able to go through that and embed using Redis calls or any other database you want. You could do that, or even a message queuing. So you could do that into a Python client. So that is possible. And yeah, as I said, you can use the VPS, virtual private server, to host your MotiveWave remotely. The only concern I would have over that is access, so hacking, because you got to realize you're hosting your trading info on these remote servers, so that means they get access to your account. So you got to be a little careful there. Simple, right? And if you got any other questions, let me know. Like I said, I'll be ending this. And if you want, join my email list by getting either the by just going to quantlabs/book. That will get you onto my email list. So that will get you notifications of when I'm having this webinar. I have them every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, which is at New York time. And this Monday, we're going to do VWAP. I want to have a discussion about it. I'm also looking at, you're welcome, Attila. I'm also looking at doing a complete discussion about VWAP, because you can easily add VWAP here in MotiveWave. Okay, so here you get your VWAP right here, but there's no signals generated for it. That's fine. You can easily code that up in Java through the SDK, which I've shown in the MotiveWave playlist on my YouTube channel. So that's always an option. Who else has got questions? Let me know. Got 6 people online. That's pretty good. I'm happy about that. Anybody else? So for those that are just joining us, what I've gone over is these pairs right here. The market is looking really, really weak, okay? But we got some pairs here. I mean, I could also add in Tron. Why not? But I'll show you what we do here. Is we got XMR BTC, EOS BTC, okay? Dash BTC, BCH BTC, BTG BTC, and Qtum BTC. I talked about this one already. So I'm going to add one more. Now, this one I get a little concerned about. Okay, so it's a 15-minute time frame, and as I said, see, look at that. You can't trade that. That's clearly manipulated. Okay, so I'm not going to bother adding it. I don't think you can make money with that, and that's one of the reasons why I get rid of these strategies, or sorry, these pairs, because of these kind of charts you see. And the other thing is that's why I'm going back to Python to add in the Python bots to go up against the Binance exchange, because there's a whole slew of other crypto pairs that I'm not seeing through MotiveWave, because you have to understand with MotiveWave is great for everything, really good for crypto, but it's very the view of the crypto market is small, because you only get access to either Coinigy or CoinCompare. And I'm using CoinCompare, but I'm using this data. And then once we see a chart, we send the order into my Python script. And I've got that in my Quant Elite membership. And then you can use that to tie in. Once it gets the signal, then the Python bot will take over and do all the trading for you. So that's what I do there to handle that. Well, we got some new people coming in. Anybody interested and got any questions? But like I said, where do you get crypto data for micro MotiveWave? Okay, let me go over this really easy. One of the reasons why I use MotiveWave, to be honest, that's a good question, is if you go to motivewave.com, right? So if you go to motivewave.com, you get here supported brokers and then data services. Okay, if you come under data services, is what I was saying. Sorry, I was CoinCompare. It's crypto compare for the data. That's what I'm using. And you can also, I thought there was a Coinigy option as well, but it's crypto compare, but it gives you a very limited view of the crypto space. So, I mean, it's good if you want to watch the top 10 crypto altcoins, as well as obviously Bitcoin. But if you want to get other access on other pairs on Binance, you have to develop your own Python bot. And that's what I've got this little guy for. This will walk you through that on the DVD at quantlabs.net/DVD, and just get that there. And it includes not a working source code, but it'll give you a basic trading bot that will include the pseudocode to build a bot. But I have a better, more detailed course on that, how to do it, and it'll walk you through all the different infrastructure components you need to build a fully functioning bot. And I'm still using them. Actually, I'm going to be deploying more of them later in the year, especially with VWAP and using MotiveWave for that, as I hinted earlier, because mean reversion is where you want to be at, because they're more accurate and you have higher probability of profit with mean reversion strategies versus trend following strategies or momentum strategies. Any other questions at all? I think we've been on for 20 minutes. That's pretty good. I'm glad the audio is working today, because I didn't know that the audio wasn't working yesterday. So I'll put up some more videos today. I'm really surprised by this. I want to say thank you for watching. As I said, if you want to go over to one of the other sites at quantlabs.net/book or DVD, be my guest, and grab that stuff. It's really cheap, because we're going to really exploit it. I've been testing this stuff for a month now, and it's working fabulously. I'm so confident I'll be getting the live trading up and running really fast. And I already have set up a track record available through coincompare.info. So that's all set up. So I'll leave it now, but thanks for watching. And if you got any questions, just email me or comment in the videos, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.